The people who are coming to do the yoga here, I think, often they get involved in the cleanups as well. Because they also care about nature and we're just trying to make a difference. But really we hopefully, this publicity can help to get the proper people here to actually clean what needs to be cleaned. The government people have never ever come here to clean this beach because the ladies have been told that this is Ashvem, and the beach cleaning ladies down there have been told that this area is Mandrim. So there's a miscommunication, and basically this becomes a no man's land where nobody cleans, and all the rubbish arrives here and just stays, and the plastic disintegrates on the beach, and it's really a huge mess and no one's taking care of it. So just trying to get a few friends together to clean it, but it's not a long-term solution. We really need the people who are being paid to clean the beach to come and do it. That would be amazing.
From how many long it was not clean over here?
I organized one of these cleanups when I arrived after monsoon in November, and it was really, really bad then. We collected about 15 huge bags of rubbish because that was from the whole monsoon. And so I did it once again, so this is about the third time in the season that we've done it. And a lot of it gets covered with sand, it gets taken back out to the sea. It's a shame because this is one of the most beautiful parts of Mandrim. It's very quiet, there's still nature here, there aren't any big hotels, there aren't beach shacks, and it's still full of garbage. So we really want to work to just keep it beautiful and keep it green.